Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. We already have some set of English vocabulary, so now we are going to be use some additional use of words. If you use the daily use of these words, definitely your English will be improve much, and it will be helpful for you for your career and your personal also. Before going to the video, I like you to subscribe the video and click the bell button nearby so that we will follow you. Thank you so much. Before the today quotes of this video is the language we use influence the way we think. Yeah, the language, what way language we are using, that is the influence the way we are thinking. What is our thinking? That is the influence. That influence will be come by using of the language. So this is today quotes, and now we will go for the words. First word is
exasperation, exasperation,
exasperation. Exasperation. What is mean by exasperation? It's a feel of intensity, irritate, or annoyance. So
exasperation,
exasperation is a feel of intense irritation. So some things you feel irritate of yourself. In Tamil, we can tell பெரும் எரிச்சலுடன். பெரும் எரிச்சலுடன். So next we'll go for so first we completed the exasperation. Next we'll go for show. What is meant by on that?
chore,
A routine task, especially the household one. The work which is you use routine one, that is called chore. That is tedious but necessary task. That is a more important. We need to understand that chore. It's not a simple word. It's defining the tedious, but it's a necessary task. The task which should be must. That is in that place we can use this word chore.
chore,
So in Tamil also chore, and next word we are going to see is
strut,
strut.
strut,
Strut.
strut,
A rod or a bar form of part, frame or designed to resist the compression. So we can say rod. A strut, it's a rod.
strut,
Strut means a
strut,
rod. If you want to mention any rod kind of thing, yes, struck form of struck form of wing, struck form of uh, heavy metal. So you can use in that place struck.
strut,
So next can see
sternly, sternly,
sterling. In a serious and severe matter, especially when asserting authority or existing discipline, is the words where you can form the sterling is he sternly warned me to not do anything stupid. It's thing that you are seriously and commanding that don't do that anything stupid. So sternly warning, that is a main thing that
sternly,
where the sterling has to use. A fight has ensured which sterling test by my peacemaking skill. severely the testing my peacemaking skill. So they are testing severely. So exercising the discipline. So something is related to the discipline. In Tamil, we can say Kandipudan.
pebble, pebble,
Pebble. It's small stone made smooth and round by the action of water and sun. In it's a pebble. It's nothing but it's a stone which we can find in uh, fish tank and in sea. It is there we can see the small stone, right? That is pebble actually. It's a narrow pebble beach. It means that the in beach we can see the lot of pebble. That is small stones. Stones where we are
pebble,
finding in the beach, that is called, that we will tell as pebble.
pebble,
And pebble. And next is brood. A family of the bird or young or other young animals produced at one itching or birth. Brood. It's a thing that
brood, brood,
viewed.
brood,
It's a it represents the youngest, that is a birth, a small one, a birth of any animal we can tell as brood. A large family of hen. So that is
brood,
brood.
witty, witty,
Witting, witty,
witty,
witty, witty.
witty,
Showing or characterized by quick and inventive verbal humor. That is showing something what we are trying to show. That is witty,
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 a witty remark. That is the remark is showing the what we are trying to show something about. In Tamil, we can say as Arivatal, and
abduction, abduction,
abduction.
abduction,
Abduction.
abduction,
The action of forcible taking someone away from against their will. That is, it
abduction,
means that abduction.
abduction,
Abduction means some things we are taking taking someone away from against the will. We're taking something from someone which they are not willing to do that. That is a abduction.
abduction,
So the organization of adoption of Mr. Coase on the way to the on the way to the airport. The main is also accused to attempt the adaptation of another younger.
abduction,
So in Tamil, kadatal. So some things we are doing that forcibly taking someone away from their will.
timidly, timidly, timidly,
It's in the manner that showing the lack of courage or confidence. Lack of courage and confidence. Will he live? I ask timidly.
timidly,
Timidly.
timidly,
That is the confidence level what we are having actually. That is timidly. Ange point in Tamil. அங்கே பாய்ந்து பயந்துதான் பயந்துதான். So manner of showing lack of courage and confidence.
frown, frown,
Frown.
frown,
Frown.
frown,
Frown is a displeasure and concentration. The frown is one of the brown of expression indicating the disapproval. Is he frowned as he read the letter.
frown,
In Tamil, we can say siduppu. That is facial expression or looking character of the furrowing of the one's brow. The facial expressions. You can say the if you're seeing someone face expressions by seeing you're thinking that they're doing they're not willing and they will do in the they will show in the face expression. That is a frown actually. So
frown, frown,
frown. So today we will see some 10 words, new words. So I hope that you can use these words and all in daily uses, so that while using not only while speaking to other, where even when you writing emails, or if you sending any writing any notes like that, that time if the situations coming related to this vocabulary, yeah, you need to use this so that it will be while using only you can able to get the words familiarization, and so that it will be useful for you. Just I will go a quick recap of the what we have done. um, Exasperation, that is it's in Tamil it's a peri erichaludan, and meaning is feels too intense of irritation. And chore, in Tamil also is chore, routine task, especially an household one. Strut, murat, in Tamil its meaning of is rod. Sterile, kandipudan, that is a serious manner or exercising discipline. Pebble. Pebble is nothing. It's mean that a small stone made smooth and routine by the action of the water. And boot. It's a youngest. It's attaching of the birthing of hen. Witty, arivatral, showing or charactering by quick and inventing verbal humor. Abdication, kadathal, the action of forcible taking someone again away against their will. Timidly, that is ange பயந்துதான், in manner of showing of lack of courage, that is the person who is not uh, having much confidence and courage actually to do that. From சிறுசிறுப்பு, the facial expression. So that is
frown,
that is this is the verse we have just learned for today. And thank you for watching this video. I am coming up with another set of words, so that it will be helpful for you to learn more and to improve ourselves. So thank you so much. Before I am closing this video, I request everyone to subscribe this channel, as well as the clicking the bell button, so that we will be with you forever and follow for you ever. And thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.